Welcome back. Welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Outer TV. Big up on yourself. Thanks for returning to the channel and thanks for supporting. Seeing if you guys are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button, man. And big up on yourself. Seeing if you're a returning subscriber, enough love and respect. You understand? Alright, so still at this location, guys. It's day 2 out of 14. Yeah, man. If you guys haven't been keeping up with the vlog, I have a returning residents here in Jamaica. They have recently refurbished this place, and yeah, them book. They don't know out on TV to get some food, and you know, maybe 1 or 2 adventure, 1 and 2 of these days. I'm not sure because they have been spending most of the time trying to renovate this place, so I'm not sure how much time they will be available to do any outings, and most of the time I've only seen the elder, the younger set. I think they were at a hotel or something like that. I'm not quite sure how this thing is going because I didn't really question. That's not my business. My business is here cooking in this kitchen. Anyways, curry chicken yesterday. Today, the boss said want some calalloo and saltfish with some food, some real Jamaican food for lunch, you know, and too fancy. So it's about I don't even know my next phone. Anyway, almost mid past midday. Sure, it's past midday. See, 1:31 now. Right? Let me show you what I'm going today. I didn't have the saltfish to soak it overnight, so I'm just boiling it to remove some of the salt. And I have this pot put on right here to cook some dumplings. We have some flour need right here. We have some yellow yam right there, so there's a little bit of vinegar in this, so they won't get black. And I'm going to peel some green banana. Yeah. So that's what on the menu today. Seeing, so big up on yourself and stay tuned. I'm gonna show you as much as I can. Breeze, the wind. Got John, I need the wind, but it's blowing out the fire, man. Anyways, yeah, I was supposed to do a part 2 for the video that I posted yesterday with the curry chicken, but they got here really late, right? And by the time they got here, I just had to just share some food, give them real quick because my drive was here, and the timing that I bargained with them to leave, it did already pass that far. But yeah, we just did have to leave because yesterday we were having a bit of a rain, and I wasn't driving yesterday, and we couldn't make that drive leave me. You understand? So, yeah, and right now I think they're out at the hardware now trying to get some stuff to finish up this place. For them business that, as me as try if you tell them. Anyways, calalloo and saltfish me I deal with today with some food, some Jamaican cooked food, some yam, some banana, and some dumpling. Big up on yourself and stay tuned. Yeah, man. Two dumplings in my float. I never have no local flour people. So the flour me get, I had to use. So I'm going now going with the banana. I actually have something right here. I take the motor. So yeah, man. Nice and clean food we are dealing with. You don't need 3 pots to cook this. 1 pot is good enough. That is it. So the trick to this now. So the trick to this now is we just go in with cork full of white vinegar. And this is going to make sure our bananas don't mess up with pot of food, because banana very stainy. And of course, the pot can't cook without a piece of banana peel. You don't know. As I said, I don't know what that thing really do to the pot, but from me I grew up, I always see it in a banana. Whether my mommy a cook or you name it, I'm always seeing that thing in food pots. So I mean I have no fork. So guess what I know, you can do me in the chat section. Spoon me have. So I use what I have. I don't tell you already the situation. So yeah. I will have that done. Because you don't want it boil over. You don't want it to boil over, mess up the stove and give me no extra work. Big up on myself. See? So I'm going, people. See food white and pretty. Yep. Just need to remove all of this starch. If you get this thing stirred. Alright, so we're just gonna let it boil again for the next few minutes, and then we check it. As soon as all of that starch actually forms in like a corner of the pot, then we just scoop that out again. So it's not finished, more starch will come, because that's a lot of food. So yeah, so I go on now. I have deboned the saltfish. Yeah man, I actually just have it in a little bit of water here, so I soak again, because I'm not giving nobody no salted saltfish, you know. Yeah, you have to remove the salt, brother. So I actually not go pick it up no more than this. I not go blend it out. You know some people look about some food gear with saltfish, ackee and saltfish, or Calalloo and saltfish. And you have to wonder if they put the saltfish in a blender. None of that. I buy saltfish and I give you a look about I want to see saltfish in my plate. Yeah man, so this is fine. So I'll deal with it today. I'm gonna go see finished product though. Yeah, so like that, just go and soak a bit more. And then so we have the Calalloo there. I'm just going to go and prep some carrot, scallion, thyme, onion, tomato, one green scotch bonnet, some garlic. That's all I'm going at that's all I'm going at the Calalloo today. I don't think we've gotten any black peppers yet. I would like a little black pepper, but I'm not seeing any. If not, I may just have to use maybe just a pinch of all-purpose, you know. But black pepper is what I really wanted. Anyway, big up on yourself. So sure know I go on again. Stay tuned. Yeah, so we reach now, people. Wash this Calalloo, yeah. Even though it comes shredded and everything in a bag, we don't run certain joke. And we not take no shortcut. Health is wealth. You understand it? You can imagine one bug or something where can be dangerous. Your system is inside of this thing. Let's see where this thing a package. Farm fresh shredded Calalloo, 400 gram Petersfield Westmoreland. Oh, right up there, so I still don't know where it come from, you know, but guess what? I run no risk. Not today. not today. Yeah man, so go wash them up. So we have the pot over the side where I go put it into after I have finished washing it. You understand? Yeah. So how we wash this now, people? We use salt water. Salt water. So any bugs that is clinging to this, you have to just let go. Because you can't manage the salt. You know that way there? That's it. So now we can just, I don't have any Calalloo strainers at this location, so I have to just do it the old fashioned way. The old fashioned way. You see it? Yeah, no, that is the old fashioned way. Now we just go rinse this. Remember, so there's hot water in this place, you know. So you have to be careful when you're turning on the pipe. You may turn on hot water. Alright, so see what I'm going on now. Let me light up the stove. Calalloo on. Now look what I'm going on now. We have onion, red sweet pepper. There is a bit of garlic right there in the middle. Carrots under that. To the side right there, some green scotch bonnet, thyme, tomato, and some fresh green scallion. Yeah man, so whole heap of seasoning will go in now. And this is just all natural seasoning going in. I know the thing go. I already smell this people. Can you believe that? Yeah man, I smell it. Going with my saltfish. This water. That is it. That is it. Now the only thing I have to do is add a piece of butter. I'm gonna add a little few pimento berries. Just to spice it up a bit, you know? Yeah man. And I'm going with a little bit of Maggi all purpose. Not too much because remember the saltfish is in here, so you have to actually let this steam and then you give it a taste, and you can determine how much season or how much more season you will need. I'm gonna add now a piece of butter. Yeah man. golden piece of butter. That is it. And now for the real flavor enhancer. The real deal. See the real deal, people? This is the real deal. Coconut oil. Yeah, man. You go add just a little bit, maybe about 2 teaspoons. That will be one. That will be the next one. So, we don't have any black pepper here as yet. So, you just go down this and make everything kind of steam before I come back and give it like a little stir. That is it. And I was actually cleaning up as I go, so I don't really have nothing much in this place are dirty. Almost everything is clean. Yeah, man. Only thing is dirty is this knife that I've just used to cut the butter. Them are clean. Everything clean. Spoon clean. Everything clean. That is it. Clean as you go, people. Especially when you don't have a second, a scullion or somebody to clean up after you. Make your work look a bit more professional and easier. Yeah. You guys probably wondering how come I have on an apron today. Well, I was peeling banana and I was peeling green banana, and if you guys know, green banana can be a bit stainy. And this shirt is the only one I brought today. Yesterday I brought 2. I actually have my chef jacket right here now, but it's not necessary, and guys, right now it's really hot, so the persons that are here that I'm cooking for, they actually told me that I don't need to gear up in all of those things because they don't fully install the AC, they make and all these things, so they know that the place is kind of hot. So the permission has been granted, so I can wear my normal clothes. I need to button down in a no chef jacket or nothing like that. So that is it. So we're gonna update on this steam callaloo. See? Yeah, big up on yourself. First stir. How am I looking, people? You tell me, man. How am I looking? One thing, I can't tell you no. Smelling good. So if you guys don't approve the looks, you can tell about the smell right now. Alright, back to where we were. I have to take a one phone call. Nice, see? Just go give this a next maybe 8 to 10 minutes. I'm good. Just like that. Cooking not hard. You guys should try it sometime. It is not that hard. Well, I know every menu. Because I come in this morning and the things here are some lamb chops or some maybe steak. Oh, we have to line up with a nice big grill outside. The things here are something, you know, been waiting for get one of them grill to make one video, you know, but I don't know anything though. Big up on yourself, see? So I'm going to finish up, people. Banana, Calalloo and saltfish. dumpling, yellow yam.